Today we are going to be looking at how to create a project through the ecosystem. Now the first thing we need to do is we need to choose which course we want to create this project for. Now if we go into, for this one we're going to go into Year 7 History and Geography, so we're going to enter into that. Wait for that one to load. Alright, the first step, if you go up to the top, you'll see on the menu we're going to go across to projects. Now as you can see on this front menu page, there's one active project there. That's one that I chose to put through before. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to create our own one. So we're going to click into projects. Now across to the right you'll see a little tab there that says +, create new project. So we're going to enter into that. Okay, so here is our project settings. This will let us name the project. We can choose the start and finish of our project dates, our driving question for the overall project, what unit or topic that the project will be a part of, standards, and etc. Now if you look down the bottom of the page here, you'll have 4 of these boxes. Now this is important. This is the keywords to enter for the project. Now every project that we make, we have to make sure that the first 2 keywords, or the very first one, is always going to be Australia. So let's put that in there now. So that is a keyword to make sure that every search we make goes to the Australian section of what we're searching. Now I'm making one for geography, so I'm going to put in geography for the next one. Crossover, and my project that I'm designing today, I'm going to put a little spin on the Australian Survivor show that's coming out. And I'm going to enter in survival, and final one we can put in will be wildlife. Okay, so that's the first step we've done. We've made sure that our keywords for the project are entered in as those, so any of those searches will be attached to this project that we're creating now. I'm going to call the title of this project to be Survivor Australia. We're going to tick show. You can come up with your own start dates, driving question. Let's make it, what aspects of the Australian wild would need to be addressed in an informative video for upcoming participants in the reality TV show Survivor Australia. Okay, we can enter all that information in later, so we've got the major parts there. We're going to hit save. Now the following page we'll actually get to see. Oh, okay, so let's put a date in there. You need to have a date. Let's make it 10th till the 17th. Oh, the 12th. There we go. Hopefully that takes us through. Okay, so this is the next page, and this is how we set up how our project is actually designed. Now, in here, where you see the Get Started, we have 3 options. What we want to do is we always want to choose the second one, which is the benchmark focus. What this does is it allows us to use a previous template that's already been designed, so we can just pretty much fill in the steps and the categories that have already been designed for us. It saves us a lot of work, and we know that it's proven and tested. So if we go into there, it shows all the different areas. And the good thing about this is, if we, for example, are a little bit unsure of okay, how do we plan our project, it actually comes with a project planning toolkit. So if we click into that, for additional help, see the project planning toolkit. If we enter into that, it will bring up a page with all of the different steps in creating a project. So we're going to go back out of that, and we can enter in all of the different areas of information that we have here for each one to tailor make our projects and really design it to which way we wanted to use it for. As you can see here, you've got the project launch with the entry event, You got the teams, so people can enter in what teams they want. You can have the benchmarks, and all the way down you will see reflections and the culminating product at the end, which will be their final result. So if we can go through there, have a play around, have a look at through each one of these, maybe have a little mock draft of a project that you want to create in your subject area, and see if you can maybe put one together that you might use whenever you get a chance. Cool.